Don't meet your friends during the board examinations. So guys, you must be thinking, what am I talking to you? But what I am saying is absolutely true, and at the same time you must also follow it. Now, avoiding friends, it doesn't mean you won't talk to anybody. Rather, you will have to follow social distancing norms, which is very important at this present situation, at this particular time. When you go for giving your examinations, from 2nd of July, you have your board examinations beginning for the remaining subjects. So it is very important that you will have to avoid your friends. So guys, telling you that board examinations के time, first of all, आपका board examinations 11 o'clock, 11 AM in the morning it starts, right? लेकिन उससे पहले आपका board examinations का question paper distribute होता है, and it is quite obvious that जैसे कि board examination start होता है, then at that particular time only you don't go to your school or you don't go to the examination hall, right? First of all, you go to your school pre-handedly. आपको board examination start होने से half an hour before only you reach your school before time only, and then what we actually do is that we start revising. So most of the students, what they actually do is that before the exam starts, we go and discuss few of the things with our friends, right? We discuss few important questions. तुमने ये पढ़ा, तुमने वो पढ़ा, did you study this? So they reach early in the examination center, and what they actually do is that they discuss few questions, they discuss and they revise together with friends. But at this present situation, it is very important that you will have to follow social distancing, and it is quite obvious that lockdown के बाद इतने दिनों के बाद you are going to meet your friends, right? So it is not that as soon as you reach your school and when you see your friends, so say hi, hello, namaste, but don't shake hands with your friends. This is very important. So guys, board examinations का जबकि टाइम टेबल रिलीज हुआ था फॉर द रिमेनिंग सब्जेक्ट्स, तो उसमें भी मेंशन था few guidelines, few important instructions, तो उसको भी फॉलो करना बहुत ही जरूरी है. You will have to wear mask. Second thing is that you will have to carry sanitizers. You will have to use it. Sanitizers is important. And the next important thing we are already discussing in this video is that you will have to follow social distancing, and you will have to avoid your friends. Avoiding in the sense you will talk to your friends, but do not shake hands or do not be too close to your friends. And it is quite obvious that इतने दिनों के बाद आप अपने friends से मिलोगे, so say hi, hello, but no shaking hands, no hugging. This is not allowed. Why not allowed? It is only for your betterment. So it is only for your betterment. It is for your good only. Otherwise, if you do this, you are the one who is going to suffer. So this is the first thing that is there. And the next important thing is that when you enter the examination hall, so it is quite obvious that sitting arrangement, you already must be aware of the sitting arrangement, how it is going to be done. Already the benches will be far apart from each other, and they are going to maintain proper social distancing inside the examination hall. So you don't have to worry regarding that. But when you are outside the examination hall, that particular situation you will have to be careful so that you are safe. Now the third important thing is that now after giving the board examinations, when we come out of the examination hall, so many students including me, we have the habit of discussing the questions, discussing the answers. तुमने ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या लिखा, वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या था, व्हाट वाज द आंसर, क्वेश्चन पेपर टफ था, क्वेश्चन पेपर इजी था, क्वेश्चन पेपर एवरेज था. सो वी स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग रिगार्डिंग द क्वेश्चंस विद आवर फ्रेंड्स रिगार्डिंग द क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू विल हैव टू फॉलो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म्स अगेन, which is very important, because inside the examination hall you will be safe and all the safety measures would be taken. But when you come out of the examination hall, at that particular instant, you will have to maintain social distancing and you will have to be far apart if you want to be safe. Don't know from where the sound is coming. So friends, these are few of the things that you will have to keep in mind, and it is very important that आप ये सारी चीजों को follow करो. Otherwise, it can be risky. So you will have to follow all this, and don't worry, nothing will happen. You will have to prepare for the remaining subjects and give your board examination. You will also have to be safe and secured. So these are few of the things that you will have to follow. So friends, this was the video, and what's your opinion regarding this? Do write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.